yeah, this camera is great. It's got, like I said, 80-minute battery life, and it can hold, geez, quite a lot of space. I think I have a 256 gigabyte micro SD card in it, and that thing, I think you can record for like 8 or 9 hours of footage. But it's super easy to upload it. I connect it to an iPad, and then from the iPad, you just it uses the Insta360 uses like its own Wi-Fi, so it connects to it regardless if there's actual Wi-Fi or not. It emits its own signal, and you can connect it to your iPad or your phone or whatever. I like to use the iPad because it's bigger, so I can see. You know, for editing, I could see a lot better than a phone. You could definitely use it on an iPhone if you were inclined to. Hold on, this guy's crossing over, he's gonna try to kill me, and this guy's doing it too. Good job. Don't go right. Jesus, don't go right. But, yeah. The Insta360, you need to get one of these bad boys. Like I said, it's like 120, actually, I don't even know how much it is now. I think the Insta360 is a little more expensive, but it's worth the money. I mean, for everything it does, shoot. You have all the different angles, you know. Compared to a GoPro, you get one angle, and that's it. Whatever you record is what it is. This thing, you can just put it on, and then find angles later. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful at all, just give me a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and rock on, let's get it.